welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing good and hope you're safe at home. Don't go out yet. I know the lockdown is getting up, but I think it's still not safe to go out, so you'll be taking all the precautions. So today what I'll be showing you is stick-on nails and how I stick them on for my feet. I also have some few ones from my nails also, but that maybe I'll show you in the next video. So I got mine from the Nail Station, which is an Instagram page, and I got 4 sets in total. 3 are for hands and 1 is for feet. So 2 of them are my sisters. I'll show you. So it comes with 2 glues and 1 filer. And these are all matte ones which my sister has chosen. You can see these are in coffin shape, which is my absolute favorite. My second favorite will be almond and the third favorite will be square and so on. But the coffin ones I feel gives you a nice long fingers look, so it looks really nice. So the second one is with almond nails for hands and the square ones for the feet. So I have kept the square ones shorter, the feet ones, so that I can wear all the bellies and the shoes easily and it doesn't poke me. So as you can see, I always love one finger with glitter or something. So this one has glitter on the toes, as I like it to show, or else if I'll put it on the smaller fingers it won't show through. And the other ones are also glossy, because I think matte ones get rough easily and get stained easily over the shinier ones. So the glossy ones I go for the feet especially. So I picked these ones in sale, but I picked up the feet ones in regular price because I gave my sizes for them and they were like specially made for my sizes, my toe size and finger sizes, because my nails are quite broad, so I got it done. And the finger ones also, you can get it customized from them. If you can give your size, it will be best, because everyone has like a bigger or smaller width in the nail, so according to that can be made. So other things other than the nails I'll be needing are glue, nail glue. Any type of nail glue will do, even with stick. This one is with stick, so we need to cut it and then squeeze it out. And even we get it with a brush kind of thing which you can use, but I prefer these ones because these are quite handy. You can put it in the purse. If a nail falls out, then you can just touch it up. And then I have this vitamin E nail and cuticle oil from Sally Hansen. So this one is really nice, so that it hydrates your cuticles around your nails and nourish them. The other thing I have is this mini set which I use for manicure pedicure, and I use it for traveling purpose especially, so that I can just put it in my bag and carry it around. The last thing is these filers, just to file your nails according to the shape you need, or just shorten them accordingly. So as you can see, I have done gel nails, but because of lockdown I couldn't get them retouched or refilled, so they have grown out quite a little bit. I have not done pedicure as well. I should be actually removing these first and then doing pedicure to clean up my cuticles and remove the dead skin areas, so that the base is totally clean. So I'll firstly use this filer and file the excess off. We need a rough surface so that the nails can easily stick to them. So firstly I'll just go through them quickly and just remove all the gel nail paint which is there already on my nails. So I'm back after filing my nails. As you can see, they are all clean, but they are quite long. According to this, we need to make it short, like the normal shortest length of my nails. So I'll just take a nail cutter and I'll just cut them off till the end, so that I can stick them on well in here and it lasts long. So as you can see, I've cut all my nails. I just need to remove the excess of the skin from the sides, for which I use the angled nail cutter, and then I'll use these equipments to just remove the skin from here, the dead skin and the extra cuticle skin from here, so that we have a clean base. So now my nails are all nice and clean with the removed cuticles and extra skin and dry skin. So now what I do is I take some sanitizer in my hand and just dab it on my nails, just to sanitize it, and also so that all the oil, natural oil from the nails will be removed and they can stick properly, the glue can stick properly. So I have picked out the nails from the box and I have arranged them according to my fingers. So this will go here, this will go here, like accordingly, so that I just need to clip this off and then I can place it properly on my nails. You can see it fits exactly on my nails. Now I'll take this nail glue, I'll just open it. You can see it's sealed. So what I do is I just take a pin and then just put it through this, so you can take the glue out of it when you squeeze it, like so. You can see, and then just pull it out. So now I'll take my nail which I have to stick on my toe, and then I'll put the glue on the nail instead of the natural nail, because if you put it on the natural nail it can burn the skin around it. So I'll just squeeze little amount and I'll spread it around. Might not be visible on the camera, but I'm just putting a little bit of it throughout the nail. I'll keep the glue aside, then I'll just put it on the nail and just press it down properly. I'll do the same for other 4 nails as well. I'm doing the same for other nails as well, so I've already put glue and I'm pressing it. So as you can see, this feet is done. A little bit of my nail is showing from here because my natural nail is long and the skin is touching here, so I cannot cut it. So maybe next time what I'll tell her is I'll just put this nail a little longer than the other ones. The other ones fit perfectly as I have given the size. She also has a video of how to measure the size for your nails on her channel, so I'll just link that down below. You can purchase that nail kit as well as you can get the instructions on her channel. So I've done this feet. I'll quickly do the other feet as well and I'll be right back. So I've done this feet. I'll quickly do the other feet as well and I'll be right back. So I just keep pressing the nail and hold it for 15 to 30 seconds. So now we are done with both our feet, as you can see. So what is the last step for me is putting a lotion on the feet. As you can see, they look dry because of all the nail powder which came on them, and then this Sally Hansen cuticle oil I put. So it is really nice because it comes with a brush. You just need to put a little bit around your nails. So I put it around all my nails and just rub them in properly so that they are shiny and the skin is soft around it and they stay strong. Do not let the oil go inside your nail, in between the nails, or else it will come out. And if you want to remove your nails, just have to do is you just have to put your feet or your hands, you have to soak it in warm water for some time and then it will be removed easily. Like you just pull it off like this and it comes off. So we are done with the cuticle oil, and the last step I will do is the lotion. I'll put little bit lotion on my feet and we are ready to go. So this is no way in collab or sponsored by the Nail Station which we mentioned, but I really like their service and their products and their rates, so you should check it out. I'll link them below, and you can check it out on Instagram. They have a page on Instagram through which you can order, and she can help you out with the other queries as well. So that's all for today. Hope this video was helpful for you. As you can see, my nails are coming off, like the nail paint is coming off, so I'll soon be doing a nail video for this as well, and I might do a nail stick-on nail video for my mom as well, because I got one pair for her as well. So yeah, you can just expect it next time. Till then, I'll see you. Take care. Bye bye.